Hey there! Today we're diving into a juicy problem in the world of C++ that has left many scratching their heads. The problem at hand revolves around the concept of reading uninitialized variables in C++26, where things have taken a sharp turn from being considered undefined behavior to now being labeled as erroneous behavior. Quite the plot twist, right? Now, let's get into the solution presented for this intriguing problem. Picture this scenario. We have two double variables, fine and errn, with one being assigned a specific value and the other left uninitialized. When we use the isnan function on these variables, we witness an interesting phenomenon. One behavior is deemed as not erroneous, while the other falls under the category of erroneous behavior. Quite the conundrum, isn't it? Continuing on our journey through this C++ maze, we come across another snippet of code involving an integer variable, errn, with an erroneous value. As we pass this variable through a function foo with different parameters, we encounter varying outcomes, some leading to erroneous behavior, while others remain undiagnosed. It's like navigating through a sea of uncertainties with each step we take, isn't it? In conclusion, we've explored the fascinating realm of C++26, where uninitialized variables are now termed as erroneous behavior, leading to a shift in how implementations handle such situations. Remember, it's crucial to understand the nuances of these changes to avoid any unexpected surprises in your coding endeavors. With that, I bid you adieu. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Happy coding, folks!